Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we'll talk about Hisense TV not turning on, fixing procedure every user should know. Number 1. Power cycle. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This can resolve many basic issues. Number 2. Check power source. Ensure the power cord is securely connected to both the TV and the power outlet. Test the outlet with another device to confirm it's working. Number 3. Inspect remote control. Replace the remote's batteries and ensure there is no obstruction between the remote and the TV's sensor. Number 4. Reset the TV. If the TV has a reset button, often a small pinhole, press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds using a paper clip. Number 5. Hardware issues. If the TV still doesn't power on, it may have a hardware issue. Contact Hisense customer support or consult a technician. Thanks for watching.